Hello, I'm Rosa and welcome to the School of Wild Medicine. Today we're going to explore which health conditions comfrey is used for, exactly how to use it, and we'll look into the safety controversy and why many herbalists no longer use this herb internally. Also, if you'd like to become a family herbalist, our affordable online course 30-Day Family Herbalist is now open, so click the link in the pinned comment to find out more. So to begin with, comfrey's scientific name is Symphytum officinale, and its roots and leaves contain several interesting compounds. One of the most famous is allantoin, a substance linked to cell regeneration and tissue repair. Comfrey also contains rosmarinic acid and soothing mucilage compounds that may help calm inflammation and irritation. This fuzzy-leaved herb was once used by Greek and Roman healers for bruises, sprains, and broken bones. Known as bruisewort or knitbone, it knitted together flesh and bones so effectively that soldiers carried it into battle, from Roman times up to World War II. Now we're going to talk about some of the most common traditional and modern uses for comfrey. Muscle and joint relief. Comfrey creams and salves are commonly used for sore muscles, arthritis pain, stiff joints, and sports injuries. Used topically as a poultice, comfrey can reduce pain surprisingly quickly. Bruises and swelling. Comfrey has long been used to calm inflammation and reduce swelling after bumps, strains, and sprains. Skin support. Herbalists have used comfrey externally to support wound healing and skin repair because of its soothing and regenerative compounds. And bone and ligament support. Comfrey poultices can be placed over fractures and ligament injuries to support recovery and healthy regrowth of strong bones. One of the oldest ways to use comfrey is as a poultice. Here's a simple traditional method. You'll need fresh comfrey leaves or dried comfrey mixed with warm water, plus a clean cloth or a bandage. Step 1 is to crush or blend the leaves into a moist paste. Step 2, apply the paste to the affected area, whether that's a bruise, a sore muscle, or a sprain. Step 3, cover it with a cloth and leave it on for about 20 to 30 minutes. Some people also infuse comfrey into oils to make salves and balms. Safety concerns. Comfrey contains chemicals called pyrrolizidine alkaloids, often shortened to PAs. The PAs, which are higher in comfrey's roots than the leaves, are thought to place stress on the liver in sufficiently large or prolonged amounts. Because of this, many herbalists now avoid internal use entirely, and some are also cautious even with topical use, as some of the PAs can be absorbed through the skin. Because of this, oral comfrey products have been banned or restricted in several countries. It's generally recommended to avoid comfrey if you're pregnant or breastfeeding, if you have liver disease, or if you're treating a child. Modern commercial comfrey creams often use specially processed extracts with reduced PA levels. We've got a full article on comfrey medicinal uses on the website at the School of Wild Medicine. The link's in the description if you want to learn more about the topics we just covered today. And if you'd like to join our affordable Family Herbalist course or our Lose Weight with Herbs course, then I'd love to welcome you to the school. Learners have been joining from across the US and all over the world. Click the link in the pinned comment to find out more about all the fun things you'll get when you enroll. Bye, see you next time.